The marimba has wooden bars that are suspended on strings that are about 1/5 the length from each end. It uses pipes that are closed on one end and open on the top end, and they're cut at specific length under each bar to serve as frequency-specific resonators. The bars are undercut in a way that can change the speed of sound as a wave travels the length of the bar. The undercut on the longitudinal surface of the bars serves to change the wavelength as one moves from the thick end of the bar to the middle.
The resonators increase the loudness of notes at the expense of their duration. They also alter the overtone content by emphasizing the fundamental over the higher overtone. Wave speed equals wavelength times frequency.
Pitch is based on vibrations. The longer the distance between wavelengths, the deeper the note is. The longer the bar is, the longer the wavelength of the vibration is when you hit it.
Striking the bar at the antennode produces loudest sound because it is an area of maximum deflection.
The Doppler effect is when the vehicle approaches the camera person, the waves have a higher frequency, resulting in a higher pitch. As the car leaves, the waves have a lower frequency and a lower pitch.
All objects have mass, so if an object is moving, then it has momentum. The momentum of the jumpers equals their mass times velocity. Momentum is the quantity of motion with which a body proceeds in a certain direction. If there is no net force acting on a system, the system's momentum is conserved.
Acting as a free-falling object, the volleyball falls at a constant acceleration of 9.81 meters per second squared. At the highest point of the swing, kinetic energy is at zero and potential energy is greatest. Approaching the low point, kinetic energy increases and potential energy decreases.
Start at the equilibrium line and make a standing wave.
The highest point is the crest and the lowest point is the trough.
From Bonnie to Ryan are the nodes, and there's also a node in the center. And from Ryan to Bonnie is the wavelength.
The amplitude is from the line of equilibrium in the middle to the top of the crest or to the bottom of the trough. If Ryan sends a transverse wave over to this side, which is at a fixed boundary, the wave comes over on this side and then reflects back on this side, so it's inverted. And these waves are said to be in phase.